I just wanted to hop on here real fast and show you how I make my Thieves laundry soap. I've been waiting until my kitchen was clean, but I realized that I need laundry before my kitchen is clean. So, pardon the mess, but we're gonna do this. So here's the recipe. Oh, that's backwards. You can't see that. So we start with 3 gallons of filtered water. I have 2 gallons in here already. I like to save the last gallon for after I put the soap in because I like to, or the Thieves laundry soap in because I like to get all of the extra out of the bottle with the water. So, 3 gallons of water. We have 2 in here already, and I'll put the 3rd one in probably after I get off of here, just so you can see what I do. The bucket. Oh no, bomb's away. Okay, the bucket is just a bucket you can get at a hardware store. I got this one at Home Depot. You can get them at Lowe's. They're just the 5-gallon plastic buckets. And then we put a keg tap on it. You can get them at like Bevmo or like any like a beer distributor store usually sells them. We got one locally here, and Johnny got it in a 2-pack, so we actually have a second one. But so we just drilled a hole into the bucket and tapped it like a keg, and it works like a giant soap dispenser, which is really awesome. I really like that. Okay, so this is just the Thieves laundry detergent. Our laundry soap is super concentrated. So they expect you to use a very little bit. The problem is like I have a front loader, and the soap is so thick that it doesn't actually go drain down into the washing machine completely or in time for my laundry to be finished. So my laundry wasn't really getting clean enough when I was using the amount that they recommended. So then of course you end up using more, and you blow through the bottle, and the bottle's like $29. Someone's teething. He's super crabby, so I'll try to get done really fast so I can show you before he starts screaming too much. Okay, bottle of soap, a half a cup of Thieves multi-purpose cleaner. This is a new bottle. Okay, half a cup of multi-purpose cleaner. Third of a cup of washing soda, super washing soda, is Arm & Hammer. This is like an enormous box, and it's usually like $2 or $3. It's not a super expensive ingredient. And then 30 drops of your favorite essential oil. Sometimes I do lavender. Most of the time I just add extra Thieves oil in it. I'll be honest, I don't tend to really smell the soap on my clothes. My clothes don't tend to smell like anything. I do like to use purification on my wool balls for the stuff I put in the dryer, and that you can usually smell for a week or 2 on your clothes. I don't tend to smell the soap on my clothes. My clothes don't tend to smell like anything. I do like to use purification on my wool balls for the stuff I put in the dryer, and that you can usually smell for a week or 2 on your clothes. I don't tend to smell the soap on my clothes. My clothes don't tend to smell like anything. I do like to use purification on my wool balls for the stuff I put in the dryer, and that you can usually smell for a week or 2 on your clothes. but I don't tend to smell my soap. So I just like putting Thieves in there, just for an extra boost of cleaning power. Because it is antibacterial, antifungal, antimicrobial, so 1, 2. Some people say that they can smell the soap on their clothes. They can smell like the oils that they wash with. If you're one of those people, really you could try any oil that you like. Like I said, I've tried the lavender. If my purification was upstairs, I probably would have put purification in because I just really like the smell of it. But it's downstairs on my dryer and I'm too lazy to go down there. So we're doing the Thieves today. Alright, so the last thing I do is I take the very last gallon of water. So there's 2 gallons in here already. And I will pour that gallon in my soap bottle. Just to get it, like I said, because the soap is super concentrated and thick. So I just want to get as much out as I possibly can so I don't waste any of it. And you can see it's a lot more soap still in there. So I'll do that with the rest of this half gallon and then another half gallon to fill up the rest of the bucket. I'm not really good at mathing, so I did some quick numbers. Price-wise, like price per load, I don't really know, but I did do, where's my phone? This will last me 6 months. So that's why I was like, I wanted to do it because I didn't want to have to wait another 6 months to record it and show everybody. So this will make about 426 ounces of soap. And I use about 2.66 ounces of soap per load because I use 1/3 of a cup of soap per load for my front loader. So that's about 160 loads of laundry that you can get done. And I do big loads. I mean, I have a California King bed, so my bedding is big. I have a husband and 3 kids, so usually I'm packing the washing machine as full as possible just to get through the laundry. We do generally about a load of laundry a day, and I make this about, like I said, every 6 months I'm making soap. A bottle of the concentrate is $29.95, somewhere around there's about $30 for the bottle of concentrate. And I use a half a cup, so about 1/4 of a bottle of the multi-purpose. The multi-purpose is again about $30. So I'm using about $7.50 worth of Thieves cleaner, $30 in the soap, so that's about $37.50, plus 30 drops of whatever essential oil you like. That would vary, like the price would vary on what you use, because lavender, for example, is pretty inexpensive. The Thieves oil, I think, is about $35 for the big bottle. So you just do the math that way. Washing sodas, I mean, is pennies. It's like $1.50, $2, something like that for a box of washing sodas. And I've had this box, and it's over a 3-pound box. I've had this box for like 2.5 years now, and I'm not even halfway through it. So I wouldn't even know how to count that because it's pennies. It's pennies. So anyway, so I'll finish filling this up with the rest of the water, and then when my muscle comes home, I'll just have him put the lid on it and give it a good shake. You could use a spoon too, if you want to do that, and then we just put it on our shelf in our utility room, and we have a little third of a cup measuring cup, and we measure a third out and put it in our washing machine. And 6 months of laundry soap for about $37. All right, thanks.